Good morning to one and all. In this session, I am going to find out the Laplace transform of given functions by using first shifting theorem and by using the definition of Laplace transform. First shifting property. If L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. That means if f of t is multiplied with e power at, then f of s is changed as f of s minus a. First question. Find L of e power minus 2t cos h 4t. Take f of t equal to cos h 4t. We know that Laplace transform of cos h at is equal to s by s square minus a square. Here a equal to 4, that means a square is 16. Therefore, Laplace transform of cos h 4t equal to s by s square minus 16. We know that if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. This is called first shifting theorem. Here a equal to 2. Observe the question, a equal to minus 2. Then Laplace transform of e power minus 2t into cos h 4t is obtained by replacing s as s plus 2 here. So we are going to get s plus 2 into s plus 2 whole square minus 16. Simplify s plus 2 whole square by using a plus b whole square formula. Then we are going to get this step. After simplification, the Laplace transform of e power minus 2t into cos h 4t is equal to s plus 2 by s square plus 4s minus 12. Second question. Laplace transform of e power minus t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. By using linear property, the given question can be written as 2 times of L of e power minus t into cos 5t minus 3 into L of e power minus t into sin 5t. First I am going to find out this Laplace transform, afterwards this Laplace transform. Consider this as equation 1. Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos 5t. Let f of t equal to cos 5t. Already we know that Laplace transform of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. Observe here a equal to 5. So 5 square equal to 25. By using first shifting property, if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. Observe here a equal to minus 1. So replace s with s plus 1. So Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos 5t equal to s plus 1 whole square plus 25. Second portion of Laplace transform, L of e power minus t into sin 5t. Let f of t equal to sin 5t. L of f of t means L of sin 5t equal to 5 by s square plus 25. Y means we know that Laplace transform of sin at as a by s square plus a square. Here a is 5, that means 5 by s square plus 25. Observe here the value of a is minus 1. So s is replaced with s plus 1. Then we are going to get Laplace transform of e power minus t into sin 5t. That is 5 by s plus 1 whole square plus 25. Now from 1, Laplace transform of e power minus t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t is equal to 2 times of L inverse of e power minus t cos 5t minus 3 times of L of e power minus t into sin 5t. Substitute the values which we are find out already. This is we know that. Take LCM, then we are going to get s plus 1 whole square plus 25 as LCM. In the numerator, 2 times of s is 2s, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 15. Subtract 2 plus 2 minus 15 is minus 13. Therefore, Laplace transform of e power minus t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t is equal to 2s minus 13 by s plus 1 whole square plus 25. Next question. Find Laplace transform of e power 2t into cos square t. Solution. L of e power 2t into cos square t equal to L of e power 2t into the value of cos square t, that is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. By using linear property, we are taking 1 by 2 outside and multiply e power 2t into 1 is e power 2t. E power 2t into cos 2t is e power 2t into cos 2t. Again, apply Laplace transform separately. Then we are going to get 1 by 2 into L of e power 2t plus L of e power 2t into cos 2t. So now we are going to find out L of e power 2t into cos 2t. Take f of t as cos 2t. Then by using the standard formula of cos at, that is s by s square plus a square, we are going to get s by s square plus 4. Why 4 means here a equal to 2, 2 square means 4. Again by using first shifting theorem, that is if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. Observe here a equal to 2. Then replace s with s minus 2. Then we are going to get s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 4. Now substitute the values. Then we are here. Then we are going to get final answer, that is 1 by 2 as it is. This is, we know that L of e power at is 1 by s minus a. By using that formula, we are going to get L of e power 2t as 1 by s minus 2. This value is just now we find out, substitute as it is. Simplify the denominator and take LCM. Then we are going to get this final value of L of e power 2t into cos square t. Next question. Find L of e power 3t into sin 5t sin 3t. Observe here product is there. If product exists, it is not possible to find out Laplace transform now. Afterwards, we are going to use convolution theorem and we find out their Laplace transforms separately. So, first of all, we convert this product into plus or minus by using known formulas. Observe here sin 5t into sin 3t is there. That's why we are going to use this formula, that is sin a into sin b, that is 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Here a is 5t, b is 3t. So 5t minus 3t is 2t, 5t plus 3t is 8t. So the value of sin 5t, sin 3t is converted as 1 by 2 into cos 2t minus cos 8t by using this formula. Here you can observe the product changed as minus. Now apply Laplace transform. L of sin 5t into sin 3t equal to 1 by 2 into L of cos 5t 2t minus cos 8t. By using linear property, apply separate Laplace transform for each function. Then we are going to get 1 by 2 into L of cos 2t minus L of cos 8t. We know that Laplace transform of cos 8t is s by s square plus a square. Observe for this a equal to 2, 2 square is 4. That's why we are going to get 4 here. Here a is 8, so 8 square is 64. That's why we are going to get 64 here. Take LCM and simplify. Then we are going to get numerator as 60s. 2 1s are 2 30s are. So the final value is 30s into s square plus 4 into s square plus 64. Now we are going to apply first shifting property to evaluate the Laplace transform of given function. That is L of e power 3t into sin 5t sin 3t. Observe, we already find out Laplace transform of sin 5t into sin 3t as 30s divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 64. Observe, here a equal to 3. A equal to 3. So, s is replaced with s minus 3. That means, wherever s, you are going to change s minus 3 to get the Laplace transform of given function. Observe, 30 into s minus 3 divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4, s minus 3 whole square plus 64. Expand s minus 3 whole square by using the formula a minus b whole square. Then the denominator converted like this. So, the final value of L of e power 3t into sin 5t sin 3t is 30 into s minus 3 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13, s square minus 6s plus 73. Next question, find L of cos ht sin cubed 2t. Here, sin cubed 2t is there. By using known formulas, the value of sin cubed 2t is 3 into sin 2t minus sin 60 by 4. So, apply Laplace transform on both sides. L of 3 sin 2t minus sin 60 by 4. Take 1 by 4 outside. Then 1 by 4 into L of 3 times of sin 2t minus sin 60. By using linear property, write down 3 outside. L of sin 2t is 2 by s square plus 4. This is by using standard formula of L of sin at minus 6 by s square plus 36. 3 2s are 6. So, here numerator having 6. Here also 6 is there. So, take 6 outside. Write down the remaining function. 2 2s are 2 3s are. That's why we are going to get 3 by 2 into, take LCM and simplify. Then we are going to get numerator as 32. Again simplify. Then we are going to get 48. How we are going to get 48 means 2 1s are 2 16s are. 16 3s are 48. So, we need the Laplace transform of this function. Observe, cos ht is there. The value of cos ht is e power t plus e power minus t by 2. Sin cubed 2t as it is. Again take 1 by 2 outside and write down L of e power t into sin cubed 2t plus L of e power minus t into sin cubed 2t. Now we are going to apply first shifting theorem. Observe, for this function a equal to 1, for this function a equal to minus 1. So, replace. To find out the value of this function, we are going to replace s with s minus 1. To find out Laplace transform of this function, replace s with s plus 1. So, we are going to get this step. After simplification, we are finally get the Laplace transform of cos ht into sin cubed 2t like this. Next question, find L of sin hat into sin at. Take f of t equal to sin at. We know that the Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. L of sin hat into sin at means replace sin hat value, that is e power at minus e power minus at by 2. Sin at as it is. Again, by using linear property of Laplace transform, take 1 by 2 outside and write down L of e power at into sin at minus L of e power minus at into sin at. Observe, here a is a only, here a is minus a. So, now, to find out the value for this Laplace transform, we are going to change s with s minus a. To find out Laplace transform of this function, we are going to change s plus a. So, replace s minus a whole square as s square minus 2as plus a square. So, we are get this step. After simplification, we are going to get the final value of Laplace transform of sin h at into sin at as 2a square s by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. So, this is standard formulas in Laplace transforms. Observe, if L of f of t equal to f of s, then show that L of cos h at into f of t equal to 1 by 2 into f of s minus a plus f of s plus a. Similarly, if L of sin h at into f of t equal to 1 by 2 into f of s minus a minus f of s plus a. Observe, if cos is there, cos h is there, plus is there. If sin is there, minus is there. Okay, now we are going to prove this one. First of all, Laplace transform of cos h at into f of t. We know that the value of cos h at, that is e power at plus e power minus at by 2 into f of t. Take 1 by 2 outside. L of e power at into f of t plus L of e power minus at into f of t. We know that first shifting property. By using that first shifting property, the value of this term is f of s minus a. The value of this term is f of s plus a. So, first one is completely proved. Now, I am going to prove second one, that is L of sin h at into f of t. Replace sin h at with e power at minus e power minus at by 2. Take 1 by 2 outside by using linear property and write down L of e power at into f of t minus L of e power minus at into f of t. Again, by using first shifting property, the value of this term is f of s minus a. The value of this term is f of s plus a. Find L of e power at into sin h bt, L of e power at into cos h bt. Let L of e power at equal to 1 by s minus a. By using the above problem, we can write L of e power at into sin h bt as 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus b minus a minus 1 by s plus b minus a. So, now we are going to rearrange the denominator. Observe, this is a minus b into a plus b. So, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So, denominator becomes like this. Take LCM and simplify. Then we are going to get Laplace transform of e power at into sin h bt as b by s minus a whole square minus b square. L of e power at into cos h bt. This is also by using above formula. The value of this can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by s minus b minus a, 1 by s plus b minus a. Again, rearrange the denominator and take LCM and simplify. Then we are going to get Laplace transform of e power at into cos h bt as s minus a by s minus a whole square minus b square. Now we are going to find out Laplace transform of given function by using its definition. Observe next question. Find L of f of t if f of t equal to t when 0 less than t less than 4. 5 when means t is greater than 4. This is the definition of Laplace transform, that is L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Now we are going to split the integral 0 to infinity as 0 to 4 and 4 to infinity. We write integrand as it is. Observe the value of f of t between this interval is t. The value of f of t in this interval is 5. Substitute those values in the place of f of t. To solve this integration, we are going to use product formula. That is first function into integration of second one minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function dt. Here 5 is constant, put aside and write down the remaining function. So the integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. The differentiation of t is 1. Again integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. Here also we complete the integration of e power minus st. Now we are going to find out. Now we are going to substitute the limits. Observe here I am going to write this term as it is. Observe here 1 into anything is 1, minus into minus is plus. So we are going to get this step. Here observe minus is there, plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 by s into e power minus st between limits 4 to infinity. So again integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. Again minus into plus is minus, s into s is s square. Now we are separating the terms which does not containing t. That means for this term 1 by minus s does not contain t. So we are keep this term aside. Okay. So t into e power minus st between limits 0 to 4, plus into minus is minus, 1 by s square e power minus st into 0 to 4 minus 5 by s into e power minus st between limits 4 to infinity. Now for this function I am going to substitute upper limit, that is replace t with 4. 4 into e power minus 4s. So we are going to get this value minus, substitute lower limit. 0 into anything is 0. So 1 by s square as it is. Again substitute t equal to 4. Then we are going to get this step minus t equal to 0 means e power 0 is 1. Minus 5 by s as it is. Substitute upper limit. E power minus infinity is 0. Substitute t equal to 4 e power minus 4s. Simplify this term. Then we are going to get Laplace transform of f of t equal to e power minus 4s by s minus e power minus 4s by s square plus 1 by s square. So observe here, find L of f of t if f of t equal to t by a, 0 less than or equal to t less than a. F of t value equal to 1 if t is greater than or equal to a. Here also we are going to use the definition of Laplace transform to find out L of f of t. Now we are going to split the integration 0 to infinity as 0 to a and a to infinity, and substitute the values of f of t by using the given data. Complete the integration by using integration by parts and substitute the limits and simplify. Then finally we are going to get the Laplace transform of f of t equal to 1 minus e power minus as by a s square. Observe, here some problems are there. With this knowledge, you can find out the Laplace transforms of these functions. These are the references. Thank you, one and all.